Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best anti-theft devices for vehicles. The Winner International The Club 3000 Twin Hooks Steering Wheel Lock. If you're looking for a reliable way to protect your car, van, or SUV from theft, this device is designed to give you peace of mind and keep your vehicle safe. The Club 3000 features a unique twin hook design, which makes it much tougher for thieves to defeat. Unlike traditional single hook locks, the twin hooks secure the steering wheel at 2 points, effectively preventing the wheel from turning. This means that once the lock is engaged, it's nearly impossible to steer the vehicle, acting as a strong deterrent against professional thieves and opportunistic joyriders alike. One of the standout features of this steering wheel lock is its build quality. Made from alloy steel, the lock is not only cut-resistant but also built to withstand significant force, adding an extra layer of protection. The lock housing has been newly improved for added strength, making it highly durable and resilient to tampering or forced entry attempts. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. The Club 3000 is a universal fit, which means it works on a wide range of cars, vans, and SUVs regardless of steering wheel size. It locks with a simple one-pull motion thanks to its patented self-locking feature, so you don't need to fiddle with complicated mechanisms. This keyless locking mechanism makes it easy to use on a daily basis, ensuring you can secure your vehicle quickly and efficiently without hassle. Visibility is another key aspect of this product. The bright yellow paint finish isn't just for looks, it serves as a clear warning to potential thieves that your vehicle is protected. This high visibility can be a significant deterrent, reducing the chance of attempted theft before it even happens. The lock measures approximately 24.8 inches in length, with dimensions that make it suitable for most standard steering wheels. It weighs about 3.6 pounds, balancing portability with sturdiness, so you can carry it around without trouble while maintaining strong security. Winner International, the brand behind the club, has built a reputation for creating security products that meet everyday safety needs. Their commitment to quality means this lock is manufactured with precision and reliability in mind. You're investing in a product from a company dedicated to building safer communities through effective security solutions. In addition to its strong physical security features, the lock also comes with an included key lock system, which offers a traditional and trusted locking mechanism to complement the self-locking design. This dual approach ensures that once locked, your steering wheel remains immobile until you unlock it with the key. To summarize, the Winner International The Club 3000 Twin Hooks Steering Wheel Lock offers a combination of durable materials, innovative design, and ease of use. Its twin hook system and cut-resistant alloy steel construction make it a formidable barrier against vehicle theft. The bright yellow finish enhances visibility, helping to prevent theft attempts in the first place. And its universal fit and simple locking mechanism make it practical for everyday use. If vehicle security is a priority for you, the Club 3000 is an excellent choice that has stood the test of time as a trusted anti-theft device. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Stay safe and secure on the road.